everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people. This gist what I want to talk about today. And I want girl where one boy just gog for no way. Some guys say, una body. The girl saying that they call the boy. The boy tell us say he gets girlfriend when they date for 3 years. So 12 them office see for now. You know, our boys say, una body really. How you go just got that kind of beautiful girl like that for a train station like that? Eh? The girl say don't know what to do, now he just tire. Eh? So one boy we can go to interview the girl, I can't even tire me pass. Could you believe say this girl don't know say this boy the video round? The boy even talk and say she not even know saying the video round. Eh? Una do na body our boys. How you go the video that kind of beautiful girl like that? You know you don't let that girl know. You they ask the girl a question, the girl they read the answer you. The girl they ask the boy say, are you married? The boy say yes. He say, hi God. Why be say all the boys when you did this no all of them don't marry? So no single boys for no way again. At least maybe another one for just take over. Eh? The girl now it just better gogging. Eh? You come over they ask the boy say, you get any friend with they single when you go sleep here? The boy say, he go call, I get one friend like that. Eh? So I just pity for the girl because to sleep at a train station like that and better co where they that no way, not be small one. But that boy, you too do sha. You know say you get girlfriend where you don't friend for 3 years. Why you can't let this girl come? Why you let this girl come? Why you can't let her go like that? That kind of beautiful girl like that. Eh? Our boys will now all do about you, my people. I go put this video more and see now. More and see where the boy they ask the girl some kind question.
Yes, there's a lady who has been talking a lot. I want to make a video of this lady. She doesn't even know that I'm filming her. Yeah. So this one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it easy and then go close to her.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Fuck. Oh Jesus. I'm just frustrated right now.
Hello? Hello, madam.
Good afternoon.
Hi. What's going on? I can see you talking a lot here. What's going on?
I don't know if I can share a little view with you, if I can come to your house. I don't know where to go right now. I came from Belgium to visit my boyfriend. Jesus, I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm sorry. I came from Belgium to visit him and he was the one who booked my flight. So I got down this morning since 8 o'clock. I've been in the street. I even went to Rema Tuzu to buy some salad to eat. And getting there, I met him with another girl. Oh my God.
I see.
And he told me I have to leave. Like, you know that we've been together for like 3 years, but it's not enough. Like the woman he really love is around. What the fuck? What do you want me to do? I don't know.
So,
are you married?
Of course.
You have a wife?
Yes.
Oh my God. Every guy I've met has a wife. Oh, no single guy in no way?
I don't know yet, but I have to maybe call and find out if I can get you a place to...
I just put my bag in my luggage in the train station.
That's what I'm thinking.
I just
if
lock
I can
it
get
there. I have the
to...
locker there. I pay some, is it not like 100 kron? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yes, but maybe we can...
If I can spend the night or before I get my ticket book, please, I don't know.
Okay, we'll see.
Oh my God, can you do that for me? I will be very happy.
Maybe I'll
Money
make
is not
a
the
call.
problem, please.
Yeah, but I have to make a call and find out first.
Where are you from?
I'm from Africa.
Every guy is from Africa. Where
Yes,
in Africa?
I'm from Africa. I'm from Togo.
I'm not, okay, Togo.
Yeah.
Togo. Oh, thank you. I don't know if I can go with you just to take shower and freshen up.
You want to take a shower?
Food to eat.
Yeah, maybe I can help you with that if you want to take a shower. No problem. Yeah. And then
is your wife living with you or outside?
We live together, but she's at work.
I don't know if she's going to be jealous. Or can I
But
just go with you now?
I'll talk to her.
Are you going to
I'll tell her that I'm getting someone who I met on the street who needs a help. So
Oh my God.
I can
please.
just.
If you can just do that, I will be very happy.
That's what I'm gonna do. I need to inform her before.
And if you have any friend that is single, I can just stay with him for some time before I go back to my place.
I'll make a call for that.
Okay,
I'll
thank you
call
very
her
much.
friend.
How much am I
and
going to pay you for that?
ask. I don't need money.
Oh, thank you. Oh my God, you're so sweet. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay,
Let's see.
are we going this way or this
Yeah,
way?
we'll take the direction that
Okay,
way.
thank you very much.
Okay, bye.
God
Okay,
bless you.
okay, cool.
As soon as I don't see the video, my people, our boys, who now don't have body really. Why you go gong that kind of girl like that? You know what? Better gogging, then you just give that girl. Better gogging. Eh? Una go no say una no want follow girl. What you gonna make you not tell that girl make you come no way now? Well, you know the way no way far and the way no way better code they there. Code way they there. Jama code they learn for where no way code they. Jama code they learn. You see they learn for where no way code they. Eh? You can't just let that girl come get better gogging. Una go no so una get if una go dey invite another girl. Now this one be una own. Eh? Now this one I be una own. Okay, you see get one that time wey happen for Italy that time. The boy tell the girl say make the girl come. The girl reach train station finish. He call this boy, call. This boy don't go pick this girl, call again. The girl call. The boy don't pick again. Eh? He don't pick again. So as the girl did there, he don't go, cold don't enter his body. Now you can't see one boy. And she get pikin, you carry pikin, give somebody. Because you want to go see man. So the boy come ask and say, what did they happen, my sister? He say, he want to go see the boyfriend, or the boy off his phone. The boy not pick phone again. Now the man can't tell and say, okay, you follow me, go ask me, you go sleep my ass. But that one, oh God can't turn the story to another thing. So that guy, I wake up and I come marry the girl later. I come marry and they don't get like 3 kids together, you know. So maybe that's so God we just see one, but don't want to see your husband, you know. But our guys say, una hold our body really. Why not go they gog our guests like that? Why not go they gog them? Eh? What did this boy do now? He good, my people. He not good. Eh? You just give that fine, beautiful potpourri girl like that. You just give her goggy. No, not see the girl fine finish. Eh? All about Zina potpourri. But that guy, your own, your body really. For you to gog this kind of fine girl like this. Ah, you too do, really. You too do. My sister, don't worry. Go find one single guy, sleep for them. Maybe you just relax. Maybe you forget about that guy, you know. Well, let's say, we wanna be careful now. Our guys go the video, no go know. People go the video, no go know. Now what did they rain now for everywhere now? Fear not able let person even get quarrel again for outside, because if you just exchange words with person now, for you know your picture, your video go full social media. Eh? This boy even talk and say the girl not know send the video now. Our guys say, it dey una body really. It dey una body. My people, this video I don't want just want make too long really. I just want to just stay like advise our girls. If you know say you want to go see my dear, make sure see that guy. Two of you don't really like that call us, so I want to see. Not be say you go finish, you can't go get better goggy like this girl. Better goggy. For where be say co. The co where they part 2 not there. Part 2, you know there. No way not be where you know easy to even go like that. I'm not here what they call them. No way out. No way. Then they call them. So people always say that then so that they behave like the name too. So wanna be careful, our girls. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady Jill. My people, don't forget our hookup is still there. I'm still doing hookup. Our hookup is still there. We see that is better guys, better women there. Eh? all of them, they see they come, we see they hook them up. So if you just need a responsible man, a responsible woman, contact your one and only Lady J. I'm still here for you people, my dear. I'm still here. So if you need a responsible man, a responsible woman, just contact me. I will hook you up. And if you be man, you don't want born again, you just want day like that, contact me. I will hook you up with a nice man, a nice woman. When you go there with like this, una go just they enjoy the go, and you go dog get children. She too dog get. She don't need a man we need picking again because she already get. Say no, you need again. So if you be that kind of man, you need that kind of woman. I bet let me just know. Contact me. My number dey my YouTube there. My number just did there, so just contact me. I will hook you up with a nice guy, a nice woman. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. And our girls, don't be shy. Remove shame for eye. Just call me. I will hook you up. Don't worry. Just remove all those shame, all those do not get. They go the shame. Wow, don't be somebody make you hook me up. My dear, things don't change. If you say when you dey waka dey go me matters, you go hard. You go hard this time because men no get time again. Work. Now only obey we guy when not dey work, we just dey get time. Say one go dey talk to man, they go for outside, you know. But nowadays we dey now, things don't change. Things don't change. So just contact me. I will hook you up with a nice man and a nice woman. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Just contact me. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please and share this video. And please always hit that red subscribe button. So take care. Bye.